8. In Asheville. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, western Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barnett Shoals, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Athens, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Winterville, Crawford, Arnoldsville, Maxey's, Whitehall, Athens, Clark County, Stevens, Dunlap, Hutchings, and Barnett Shoals. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.